The last 30-minute day trading. I want to sell the Dow Jones Index at 185.57. All right, 185.57. Hold on, please. This is the last 30-minute day trading. Because the market is about to close, this is a highly risky trade. Especially, one should be aware that the market is usually very quiet on Fridays. But this tutorial is for educational purposes only. It's neither a solicitation or an offer to buy or sell any financial instrument. Okay? So therefore, we got exactly now 26 minutes left before New York will be closed. This is about the last 30 minutes a day trading. And I'm going to adjust my limit order. I want to sell it quite close, somewhere here. At 185.62, I'll place my limit order there. Moment, please, traders. That's it. This order is now filled, my friend. As you can see, it's now filled. The price now 185.61. My order is filled at 185.62. Trading the Dow Jones Index in the last 30 minutes before the market is closed today. A very, speculative trade. Talking about trading the last 30 minutes a day trading. Tips and tricks. All right. So as you can see, yesterday the price went down. Okay, here it is. It formed in fact a double top on this 3-minute time frame, so you can see a double top. When you see a double top on a lower time frame, is alerting us that there is a resistance here. Since then, you can see that the price went down from this point to this level here. So after this double top on the 3-minute time frame, the Dow Jones went down. Now it rallied up to the 61.8% Fibonacci retracement level of the price action from here down to this level here. So very often Fibonacci traders are quite aggressive. Okay, for this trade, I need to set my stop loss, and I will use 30 pips, 185.92. It's quite high for 30 minutes left for this trade. It's quite a lot. It's quite a lot. I want to leave it there for now. Okay, 185.92, somewhere in that region there. Using 30 pip stop loss. It's quite a lot for this time because I only got now 23 minutes left before the market is closed. The price now at 185.66, so goes back above our entry point at 185.62. If you look carefully here, the price went down from here to here, and now it's going up. And you can see that the price was finding a support above the blue trend line, but you can see that the price deep below that blue trend line was riding below it, and now it's here. All right. You can also notice that if you look carefully here, there was this rally here, price rally up to this zone, and then people sold it here. So this is telling us that there are sellers in this zone. People were happy to sell the Dow Jones Index in this zone. All right. All right. They were happy to sell it here. So as I explained to you now, this is quite speculative trade. I got now 22 minutes left for this trade. Price going up. So I'm a bit under pressure now. If you understand, it's quite a risky trade. It's a speculative trade. Talking about the last 30 minutes, okay, day trading tips and tricks. So here I'm on the hourly chart and I have too many lines on my chart. Okay. On this hourly chart, if you notice carefully, you can see that the price went up, blah, blah, blah. But as it reaches this zone, where my stop loss is, okay, so it slowed down first, so you can see that the price slows down here, acknowledging that resistance in the zone of 18592, and then finally it pulled back a bit. Now it's going back to retest that level of 18592. There is a kind of a weakness in this zone. All right, so see, it didn't go very fast here, so it's stuck here. There's a bit of stagnation in this zone, and this is the reason why I want to sell it now in this zone for a quick and fast profit. Going back again to the 3-minute time frame, the price still going up, so you can see that I'm now 8 pips, okay, in loss, but I still got 20 minutes left before the market is closed. All right, so we'll give it more time. We got more time, 20 minutes, all right, and we'll see what's going to happen, all right. The last 30 minutes, day trading, tips and tricks. Here we are. So the price at the resistance zone is finding it difficult to go up very fast as it did before. It is also at 61.8% Fibonacci retracement level after, okay, a double top. What I say to traders, the reason why I want to play this is quite risky. I need to tell you that. It's a scalping, okay, day trading here. A double top, okay, a double top followed by a lower high is a high probability trading setup. So here, this trade here, those who sold it here, they were taking a high probability trading setup. So the price now in the same zone, all right, we had, okay, a high probability trading setup in this zone where the price is now. You can see that in this zone, we have a high probability trading setup. The price returned back to the same zone. The first thing that is coming to our mind is to sell, because those who sold it here knew that this was a high probability trading setup. They were happy to sell it, and the price went down for some time. Now you see the price recovered, and now it's now again in the same zone. Those who sold it here did not forget what has happened here. They will be trying to sell it. And also the price at 61.8% Fibonacci retracement level. All right. As I explained to you on the hourly time frame, talking about my trading setup, you can see that the price was going up very fast, but as it reaches this zone, it's slowing down, finding it very difficult to go up. So there is a resistance in this zone. Price at the resistance zone, okay, we can go to the lower time frame looking for weaknesses. Now the price now below our bullish trend line is struggling to even go above it. And we are also in a zone where people did sell the Dow Jones Index before, okay, with a high probability trading setup. I got exactly 18 minutes left before the market will close. We are talking about, okay, the last 30 minutes day trading tips and tricks. I am under time pressure to get something out of this trade, all right, before the market is closed in 18 minutes exactly. So the clock is ticking, and okay, I can feel the pressure right now. All right. What I'm going to do to avoid that the video is too long, with your permission, I will pause the video. So we're going to pause it now, zoom into it, and the time in London is now 20:43 in London on the 22nd of February, on the 22nd of July 2016. Now I got exactly 70 minutes left before New York is closed. So the clock is ticking. The last 30 minutes day trading tips and tricks. All right. So let's pause the video for the first time, and if something interesting is happening here, I'll come back and show you that. Okay. So pausing the video for the first time, and I will speak to you very shortly. Okay, traders, we got 6 minutes left. The time in London is 54 minutes past 8 p.m. Exactly 6 minutes left to cash out, all right, before the market is closed. So we are live day trading the Dow Jones Index on the 3-minute time frame. As always, we want to have a good reason why we want to sell or buy. And in this case, we have noticed something very interesting on the hourly time frame. And the price was going up very fast. You can see it was going up nicely. But as it reaches this zone of 18592, it starts slowing down. Something was holding down the Dow Jones. And finally, it pulled back. That's the first reaction that somebody sold it here. That's the first reaction. Somebody saw it boom down. Now it bounced up a bit. It's recovering a little bit. Now it's at a 161. It's at a 61.8% Fibonacci retracement. Okay, where we want to sell it. This is a speculative day trading, a high risk day trading. In the last 30 minutes on Friday before the market is closed. All right, last 30 minutes day trading. Tips and tricks, and now I got exactly a 5 minutes before the markets close. Am I going to get something out of this trade before the market is closed? That is the question. All right. So in 5 minutes, am I going to get a decent profit before the markets close? That is the question, and the time is ticking. All right. So we are not just waiting and see whether we're going to get something out of this trade before the market is closed, all right? And we will see, okay, whether the Dow Jones, as always, a very friendly financial instrument, will be friendly to us again one more time before the market is closed, all right? In exactly 4 minutes time frame, the market will be closed. So waiting. All right, waiting. So we have a trading drill that I talk about all the time. So look for a high probability trading setup or find a reliable trading setup. All right. Before going to the lower time frame, okay, to enter the trade, find a high probability trading setup, and then implement a multiple time frame trading method. This is it. This is what we are doing all the time, okay? Very simple, but powerful, all right? As I like to put it to traders all the time, okay, the price structure will determine the appropriate, okay, strategy that we deploy, okay? So we got exactly 3 minutes left. It's now 20:57 in London, the last 30 minutes before the Dow Jones is closed. And the price now at 18560, below our entry. That's where we want it to be. But it would be nicer to get some profit, all right, out of this speculative day trading. So 2 minutes left, my friend. Are we getting something out of this trade before the market is closed? All right, 2 minutes left, okay? All right. Two minutes to get something out of this trade, hopefully. I'm still here watching the screen. So doing exactly like you, watching the screen. "30 minutes time, and now we got, my friend, 60 seconds left. Here it is, 59, So here it is. You can see the time. All right, the clock is ticking. All right, the market will be closed very shortly. You can see after this candle, that's it, finished. All right. So I hope you have learned something for this video also. That's the key point. All right, that you will put into use, okay, to make excellent day trading decisions. This is about okay, the last 30 minutes day trading tips and tricks. All right, trading the Dow Jones Index in the last 30 minutes before the market is closed. It was a high risk trade, a speculative trade. This is a scalping, okay, a high dose speculative trading. All right. We wish you the very best in your trading, and until the next time, enjoy yourself and be very happy. We are the TSTW24 traders talking about okay, the last 30 minutes day trading tips and tricks. Happy trading to you all, and speak to you soon. Thank you.